Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a bonus haul for you this week, and it is from Hobby Lobby. I was thinking that you may find this haul quite interesting. As you know, Hobby Lobby is having their clearance sale. They are starting to mark down merchandise that they will no longer carry. So I found this here. This is a soap making 101 kit. I thought it would be quite interesting. Original price was $19.99 and I paid $4.99. So in this kit you get, sorry, let me find the English version here. You get the clear soap base, the white soap base, the colors in red, blue, and yellow, cucumber melon fragrance, 1 to 4 cavity molds, and 1 instruction sheet. It's a nice little kit. I thought I would give it a try. You know, for $4.99, why not, right? And then I found some polymer clay. This is, let's see if it doesn't have a name somewhere. Oh, here we go. Chocolate. And I paid 74 cents. The original price was $2.99. I found 2 of those. And I found some jewelry also. I picked up 2 of these. This original price was $9.99. I paid $2.49. Look at this. Let me spread that out. It's a very good buy. Even at $9.99, it's still a very good buy because you get 4 strands of different beads. Look at that. I like this one. So I picked up 2 of those. I also picked up some ink. These are, well, let's see. Let me take that back. This is India ink by Dr. P.H. Martins. I picked it up in the red velvet, the pen white, and I also picked up it's a Frisket Mask Liquid Level 1. I like that. So those, and then these were, I want to say they were like $7.99 or $9.99, and I paid, oh, let's see, where's my receipt? They were $3.99 each. And then I also picked up this one. This is the Higgins Black Fountain ink. It's in India. And that one, I think this one was $3.99 also. I'm quite happy I found those. And then these are actually all repurchases for me. I mean, it doesn't hurt to have white and black, extra white and black ink. And then this is the first time I bought this mass liquid. I'm willing to give this a try. So this, it's kind of like a, a blockage. So if you want to keep your ink in a certain area, this is where you would use it to outline that. So it's a very good find. I also picked up some artistic wire. And I picked up 3. I picked up silver in the 24 gauge. And let's see. I don't know what the regular price was. Oh wait, let me see if I can peel it. But I did pay $1.49. Oops, didn't work. Let me peel this back. I have to be really careful so it doesn't tear into tiny little pieces. Oh, it was $5.99. See, original price $5.99, and they were $1.29. So I picked up 2 of the 24 gauge, and I only found 1 that is at 26 gauge. And then this is from one store. There are 3 Hobby Lobby stores in my area, but only the one store is marking down jewelry. And you see, I found the soap and the polymer clay in one store, and then I found these in the other store. My third store, I have no idea if they're doing markdowns or not. I would have to drive 1 hour to get to that store, so I refuse to drive that far. And then I also picked these up. I can't find a receipt for this one. These are tags. They are $3.99 regular price, so I paid like, I want to say like 74 cents each. I already peeled off the sticker somewhere. Oh, look at that. I like this. All the different papers in here. And then look at that. It's like gold writing on there. And then the key. Look at that. Very nice. I like that. And then there's also this page. Look at that. Nice. And then there's the pink flower. And it looks like that's it. But very nice. Yeah, you got 5 patterns in there. I picked up 2 of those. And then I picked these craft paper tags. I want to say I paid like $1.49. And I did pick up 2 packages. So that was that. And then I picked up, I found this one in the party section. This is a craft table runner. And it is 37.5 square feet. This is a regular price $4.99. I paid $1.24. I bought 4 of the white craft paper, and I did that so I can use it for my craft table. But I won't be using it as a runner. I'll just be like cutting it to pieces. And I also picked up 1 in the brown paper. And let me open this because it looks like really good quality paper. And take a look right quick. So see there, yeah, it's nice thick paper. And yeah, it's a very good paper. I should pick up some more. But I only picked up the 1 brown one. I think I need to, if I go back and there's still some there, I will definitely pick those up. A couple items left that I found that was on sale. They're, what do you call it, resin section. They are clearance also. And then this mold was $12.99 and I paid $3.24. And it is for a silicone half round pendant. I don't know if you can tell, but they are like half. Oh, here we go. Let me show you the picture. They're circles, but you only get the half rounds. I thought it would make a nice project. Like I can make some clear molds, and for my journaling projects. I think it'll work really well. So I picked up this one. And then the last item I picked up is a regular price item. And it's this pencil box by Sterilite. It is 8.5 inches long by 5.5 wide and 1.5 inch height. And the regular price is $1.99. I use these for all my pencils and pens and stuff for crafting. And I needed another one. And that is what I found that is on clearance so far. But I will keep checking. I am waiting for the floral section to go on clearance. I don't know if floral section ever goes on clearance. I'm also waiting on the fabrics to go on clearance. The fabric section, so I can buy some yarn I need some more strings. And then I'm waiting, since they marked down these inks, I'm waiting for them to get to the rest of the art supplies. It would be nice if they can mark down some, maybe some brushes or something, I don't know. But I'm waiting for more. And I will check back with you and let you know what else I found. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.